Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Sheila's Home Set. So hope everybody had a nice week. And so as you know, I always try to bring you a weekly tidbit of either shopping or staging or some sort of home deck project. So this week I had a friend who was in need of carpet, and he had 2 bedrooms that he needed to recarpet. So I helped him with that. And I want to take you on that shopping trip to show you where I found in the Treasure Coast a really great place to get carpet and also to get all sorts of other flooring. So come with me and I will show you what I found. So our first stop is Lowe's because I wanted to just get a price comparison. So I can see that like an average carpet here is $6.47 a square yard. That's installation and padding. And that gives me a good jumping off point to go to my next stop. But I wouldn't, nix Lowe's. It's just that one thing I didn't like was that there wasn't anyone to speak to. They have a lot of choices and the prices were good. It's moderate carpet. It's not high quality, but, it's fine. And the only thing I didn't like though is we're in a rush. So we're trying to get this done within a week, 2 weeks tops. But I couldn't get a clear answer from anybody here. So that's not a good thing. But I wouldn't eliminate Lowe's. It just doesn't suit my purposes right now because of the time crunch. But they do have a large assortment. Before I started shopping, I had already called a bunch of carpet stores, and what was most important was the time frame. So I wanted to make sure that they could accommodate a week to 2 week installation, and there were several that could not accommodate it. So I ended up here at Floors Direct on US 1 in Stuart. And I had never been in here, and I have been in so many different flooring places in the Treasure Coast. I'm really shocked that I haven't been here. And it's amazing. So it has a full room of carpeting. It has all sorts of designer carpeting. Look at that cool sort of zebra print. Any pattern, any design, any color. I mean, just racks and racks and walls of carpeting. It's quite amazing. And the quality is like from very, very moderate. You can get a very inexpensive carpet here to a very luxurious carpet. So they compared very well against Home Depot for the same sort of, not Home Depot, but Lowe's for the same sort of carpeting. So over at Lowe's, the carpet was $6.47 all in. And here they had a very small selection of in-stock carpeting, but that's okay. We just needed, like a beige or grayish kind of beige gray carpet, just a really neutral. So this little, there's a little rack there in the middle that had the carpets that are in stock that you could get like within the 2 week period, all in, installed, bought, installed, delivered. So that's what we're looking for. And then those carpets cost, they were ranging from like $1.43 a square foot to $4.44 a square foot. And then the padding and the installation was running like another $1.60 a square foot. So by the time we were done, the one that we picked was called Glittering Champagne. And all in, it was like, closer to the $4 mark. Yeah, it was close. That's the rack of what's in stock. So it was closer to the $4 mark a square yard than the $6.47 that Lowe's was charging. So see that? It's $2.10 a square foot. That's pretty good. And it was decent carpet. I mean, it feels pretty good. I mean, it's not like crazy luxurious, but it was a moderate carpet. So that's what we ended up choosing. I just realized I said a square yard, but no, everything's done in a square foot on these carpets. So all the pricing is in square foot. But I was really impressed with this company. So it's Floors Direct, and we bought it that day. They came and measured 2 days later, and they installed it 2 days after that. So they had this measured and installed within a week, and they did a great job. It looked great when they were finished. Okay, and here's the finished product. So this is the master bedroom, and this was a large bedroom, and they did a really good job. It's really well laid. Very happy with that. And then this is the second bedroom, and it's a really great color too because it's like super neutral. You could either go gray or beige against this carpet. And this was the other side of the store, which is actually like, geez, like 4 or 5 times bigger than the carpet section. And it has every type of flooring you could possibly imagine. And this is the first time I've ever seen it displayed like this. Look at the way they have it laid out on the floor so that you can really get the feel of it. You know, instead of looking at one tile, you can get an idea of what it looks like on the floor. And I just love this. And they had such a huge assortment. It was amazing. So I am going to wholeheartedly give this place a thumbs up. This is Floors Direct on US 1 in Stuart. And they have fantastic choices of carpet, great pricing. The help was amazing. They were so helpful, came right over, but didn't hover. And the flooring looks, I'd love to come back here and shop.
Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me this week. Appreciate it always. And I hope you enjoyed that trip to Floors Direct. And if you guys have any great suggestions for flooring as well, I always love to hear everybody else's ideas. Just let me know. And if you have any real estate or staging needs, please give me a call. And as always, everyone needs a Sheila.